this has got to go. Now that's better. We'll have to do something about all this old dirt. Look in here. Nice. So here we have 30 years of dirt and grease. I started to clean it up here, but as you can see, it's a lot left before you can consider it clean. I removed the exhaust so that it will be easier to be able to clean, and also I am going to change to a sport exhaust. So now I cleaned up a bit. This have to do for now, and then I will take the rest when I remove the engine next time. Time to change this ugly and very smelly seat. I don't know if you can see it, but it's full of mold in here. This is the new seat. Part number is 7900000. There we have the new seat on. I'm doing some polishing here to remove the spray paint that's on this part of the glove compartment. I'll try to get rid of this also. This is too much, I think. I don't know, because here it doesn't seem to be damaged. So I don't know why they sprayed it. So if you can get this off, and this, if I decide to keep this paint, then it's only this one I need to repaint. I'm using this industrial degreaser here. I managed to, not quite yet, but remove all the paint here, soon everything here. There's no damage, and can you see it comes off here also. Guys, I think I'm going to have a hard time motivating a total repaint of the bike, because it came off very good. A little bit more polishing, but no big damages or so. So I think I'm going to have to stick with this color a couple of years maybe, because I've ordered a new front fender, so we'll respray the new front fender, then that's good. And then of course I'm going to cut out all these rust holes, put in new steel here, and then I have to repaint the floor. But I mean, other than that, I think it's okay, like it is. Is there anyone who can tell me which color code this is? Is this the Rosso 892 or the Rosso 126? I don't know, it's a 1993 PX200, and I can't seem to find the right color code. But I think it's the 126 or the 892.